Lego Endurance, Lego Icons Endurance, comes with 3,011 pieces. It's a magnificent ship, about 3/4 the size of the Titanic in length. This ship will be coming in, I think it's about 31.5, and 18.5 inches wide. That's pretty big. Actually, 18.5 inches tall. That's pretty tall. Even a billy shelf will not even be able to hold this all on one. So the thing is, where do you store it when we're done? But the question we want to answer today is, as we unbox this box, is to see what's going to be included. We will be building this live on YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok, so definitely subscribe on all platforms to be able to have the opportunity to watch this ship build live. And then after it's built live, we'll review it and put the light kit in from Light by Brick. But as you came here to see the unboxing, let's crack this box open and see what's included with the Lego Icons Endurance. Before we do so, I do want to let you know on the back of the box, because a lot of people are interested in the box, you got to look at a big ship, a little diagram telling you the actual size here. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little pictures that show a little bit of details of the actual ship itself. If you were able to get this on day one, you were actually able to get the lifeboat GWP. So if you're watching this in the future, that was the GWP that came with this set. That will actually be built probably day 2 of building this set. So let's crack open this box. I always like doing it to the side that doesn't have any pictures. And let's see what we got. I think we got a box inside of a box. What is that? Oh. Can't forget that little one. Hey, come on. There you go. We all know you want to come out and play, but let's get rid of these, because we want to open this box now. Before we dump the box, we want the instructions. Set that to the side. What's this? What's this? This is the mask. We're going to set that to the side too. Now, bottoms up. Now, like we always do, I'm going to speed through this as I count how many bags we got in this box. Alright, we got a total of 28 number bags and a couple of accessory bags. Some for the sails, more for the sails, and then the sails themselves. So we got a little bit of them. But we also want to take a look at the booklet and see what's inside. Do we got any stickers in this booklet? That's the biggest question for today. But we do have one big booklet. No stickers. So, this is how thick the book it is. It's going all the way up to page 411, it looks like. Oh. 418 of instructions, which is a total of 679 instructions in this book.